The European Innovation Partnership EIP Wales programme was delivered by Mentor a Business on behalf of the Welsh Government. Its purpose was to provide funding to groups of farmers and foresters wanting to apply the latest in innovative methods and technology to their businesses. Between May 2017 and March 2023, EIP Wales funded 46 projects on a huge variety of topics across the farming and forestry sector, working with over 200 farmers across Wales and over 100 advisors, research institutes and businesses who work within the sector. By bringing people from both practical and scientific backgrounds, EIP Wales created a great opportunity to draw from different experiences, benefit from the latest knowledge and introduce innovative methods and technology to help tackle on-farm problems. Improving farm efficiency was a common theme amongst some projects. One project investigated the benefits of using foliar feeding as a more efficient method of applying nitrogen fertiliser to grass, with results showing that foliar feeding can produce the same amount of dry matter using 40 to 50% less nitrogen compared to conventional fertiliser. Another project involving 9 dairy farmers across North Wales genetically tested their heifers to give them more confidence when making breeding decisions. The economic benefit to choosing higher genetically scoring animals to breed from equated to a financial gain of £19.39 per heifer. Horticulture was a focus within 10 projects. Asparagus was proven to show huge potential for a grower in Monmouthshire who was able to gain the skills and knowledge through EIP Wales to grow and market the crop organically on a small scale. The use of technology within farming is on a steep increase and was a key element to many projects. One of these projects looked at the use of GPS collars on sheep and cattle grazing open land to help locating and gathering and to learn more about their animals' grazing habits. Another project used sensors to monitor soil moisture and temperature to help farmers make more informed decisions on slurry and nutrient management. Biodiversity was the focus in 2 projects, with a group of 6 dairy farmers successfully increasing bumblebee numbers across their farms by making simple changes such as incorporating multiple species lays, adjusting their silage harvesting and rotating their hedge and ditch management. For 2 farmers in North Wales, the aim was to grow cover crops to provide for farmland songbirds, which resulted in a 6-fold increase in bird numbers in only 2 years. These projects have generated results which have brought benefits not only to the farms involved, but also to the wider industry. Innovation is only successful if it's widely taken up, and EIP Wales has highlighted the importance of farmers being directly involved in putting research into practice.